In the name of Allah, the most merciful and almighty. Hello dear students, this is me Abdul Basit, your English teacher. Welcome to my channel Al Basit Academy. I will upload videos on all grammatical topics with the help of your support. Before starting this video, I request you to subscribe my channel. Dear students, today lesson is on the parts of speech. There are mainly 8 parts of speech in English language. They are nouns, pronouns, verb, adjectives, adverbs, conjunctions, interjections, prepositions. Parts of speech are identified by the place they have in the sentence, not by their meaning. Okay, what is noun? A noun word taken from the Latin word nomen, and nomen mean noun. So the noun simple definition is a noun is a naming word. Noun is a naming word. Here the noun definition is a noun is a person, place, thing or an idea. Noun are the subjects of a sentence. Like here the noun is the subjects of sentence. A teacher, a line, Ali. Love is a beautiful thing. Love is a noun here. So love is noun here. Teacher is also noun. Line is noun. Ali is noun. So everything which exists in this world or which does not exist in the world, but they have names. So for that names we call it in grammar a noun. So everything which has name, so for names we use the grammatical word a noun. Every nouns in the, for example, chair, table, pen, line, for example, home, tree, mobile, these are nouns. Classification of nouns. Nouns can be singular or plural. Yes, singular mean one, plural mean more than one. Singular nouns name only one person, place, thing or idea. For example, an apple, the car, a table. So these are what? These are singular nouns. Okay. Plural nouns name two or more persons, place and things or idea. Plural nouns names two or more person, place, thing or idea. Proper and common nouns. We have types of noun: proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, material noun, concrete noun, countable noun, non-countable noun. These are compound nouns. So these are the types of noun. So first one type is a proper noun. Proper noun refer to a specific person, place, thing and ideas. They are always capitalized. For example, Holy Quran, Lahore, Minar, Pakistan. These are places in Pakistan. During the writing, proper noun must be capital. When you are writing a proper noun in the sentence, phrase or in a paragraph, so proper noun first letter must be a capital. Common nouns are all other nouns. They are not capitalized unless they are the first word in a sentence. Examples: cat, pencil, proper, etc. Collective nouns. Collective nouns are the nouns that are grammatically considered singular but includes more than one person, place, thing and idea in their meanings. They emphasize group as one unit. For example, family, herd, class, etc. Countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns can be counted. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted. Bottles, these are countable nouns. Eggs are countable, so the eggs are also countable noun. Water is countless. Sand these are uncountable nouns. Abstract and concrete nouns. Concrete nouns are nouns that you can touch. They are people, places, and some person. Coat, pen, hand, paper are concrete nouns because you can touch it. Abstract nouns are nouns that you cannot touch. Things like ear, justice, safety, democracy, faith, religion are abstract nouns. Nouns as a gerund. Okay, first of all, what is gerund? A gerund is an ing form of the verb and end is used as a noun. For example, running is good for you. Okay, so a gerund is a ing form. A gerund is an ing form of the verb and is used as a noun. For example, running is good for you. So here, run is a verb and ing, so this is a ing form of a verb but use as a noun. So here the running use as a noun here. So running is the noun gerund and is the verb. By crying, upset, here crying is the subject and upset is the verb. Upset is the verb.